What's going on, YouTube? It's the Meditative Investor back with another video, and in this video we're going to go over my portfolio update, a couple of stocks that I'm watching this week, and man, the run that has happened on Bitcoin. Okay, now if you like info about investing, about becoming more meditative, becoming more emotionless, and growing your wealth in the stock market, by all means hit that subscribe button, hit that like button to help grow the channel. It helps get this video out to more people who should be learning this information. I'm trying to put people on game, man, when it comes to this stock market stuff. Like, there's a lot of people who don't know a lot of stuff, and I'm still learning myself. I've been growing my wealth. It's been a beautiful journey, and I'm just here to share what I've learned over the past past years. So we're going to start this video off with hopping into the portfolio, okay? So we're going to hop into the Robinhood portfolio. Now, keep in mind, I do have a Fidelity as well. It's just not as pretty as Robinhood. So for, as you can see right now on the day, Monday, February, 8th, I think, we're up 2% today. We had a pretty good day, 270 bucks. On the past week, guys, we're up 7%, 800 bucks. Past month, over 100%. Over the past 3 months, 340%. Year, 360. Okay, so we're doing pretty good. As you can see, the investment's still pretty low. I haven't put any money. I haven't added fuel to the flame on this one, but I am adding fuel to the flame in my Roth IRA, guys. And I'm going to talk to you about that towards the end of this video, so stick around. This is very important that you need to know, okay? So it's grown 9,000 bucks in the past, really, 3 months, really. So we've been crushing it. Been having some pretty good picks on the channel. Again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please be sure to do your due diligence when I tell you these plays that I'm going to be potentially getting in and looking at. Now, every play I'm telling you, I'm probably not going to get into. I'm just saying this stock can have potential to double up, triple up in the coming months. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop on to my plays. I'm going to show you real quick. I did sell a Genius Call here, 4 contracts to earn 20 bucks. That expires this Friday. Again, guys, I love receiving premium. That's my ultimate goal when it comes to when it comes to the stock market, is just receiving this passive income. I did sell a put on Excel a while ago. As you can see, I did receive 185 bucks. Now that's down to $38. I could sell and take 147 bucks and just leave the 38 bucks, which I might do, just because 80% profits is pretty great. I can let it expire worthless, but I would like to use this money to probably sell another put and earn some more premium. Okay, so that's potentially what I'm going to be doing in the coming weeks. I am down on some calls here. Ally, I'm down 44%, just to show some transparency. I did hop into Sally Beauty option play for March 19th. I like to give myself a little cushion when it comes to these option plays. If you don't know much about options, don't worry about it. More beginner stuff is coming in the playlist, okay? I've already doubled my money one time on this. I posted on the channel a while ago, and I'm back into it, because you can rinse and repeat these plays, guys. If you learn a couple companies and how they move and their fundamentals and how they work, you can make money on the same companies over and over and over again, okay? You don't have to be in so many different plays. Like, I'm actually going to shorten up this portfolio list on this Robinhood account. Let's see, what else? Did I get any new plays? Yes, this is one of the stocks right here that I want to put on your watch list. Okay, TXMD, Therapeutics MD. I got into this today at $2.32 a share on average. I should have bought it on a dip, but it's all good. This is going to be a kind of a semi-long-term hold. My price target for this is like around 10 bucks. As you can see, Robinhood, man, all the analysts is 100% buy. 6 analyst ratings on here, but there's more analyst ratings elsewhere, and almost all of them has this as a buy with a price target of $7 to $10. It is in the female contraceptive and female medication realm, and they have 3 different products that are all launched out, and they have 3 products that they say in their investor presentation are their growth products, and they all launched in 2020. So they do have earnings coming up on the 18th, which is next Thursday, so be very careful holding through earnings. But I plan on holding this at least till it hits 10 bucks, and then I'm going to evaluate my position, probably sell out half my shares, and then just go from there. So I'll keep you updated on that. As you can see, our ZOM play is booming. I'm currently up 155%, 770 bucks, just straight booming. This is a long-term hold for me. I'm probably gonna hold this until the end of the year, and I'm probably gonna be adding in dips if it dips down, because my cost right now is, my average cost is almost just $1. So I plan on nibbling in on down days, but as you can see, we have not had that, so I haven't been buying. Dogecoin is just booming. You know, Snoop Dogg, I think, bought $100,000 worth of this, and I have a feeling he's going to do something with this brand because he's Snoop Dogg, Dogecoin, Dogcoin, so we'll see. There is one more play. So that other play was the first play that I want you to look at this week. Consider adding to your watch list. And also the second play, guys, I can't bring this to you enough, man. IDEX is a banger, man. I've been talking about this all the way back here, man, like in, you know, December, late December, January. I mean, we've been in this play. I have a total of 5 contracts on this. I'm holding this long term. I plan on exercising my contracts depending on where the price is. My price target for this year is it can hit 10, 20, maybe 30 bucks by the end of the year. That's kind of stretching it, but just with all they have, I really love all of the different aspects of their company. They kind of hit all in the EV space, the EV fintech space, the logistics of EV, and all this stuff. So they have their bases covered. Now, depending on how they perform this year, you know, we'll see. But this play can boom. A bonus play for you that I really want to just put on your watch list is VGAC, guys. I've already doubled up on this play multiple times. I had 20 contracts. I've sold them off, took profits, and now I'm just leaving this last 5 to run. As you can see, I'm still up 247% on these. I got these at $1 and $1.15 per contract. And to be honest, man, with 23andMe and with the whole genetic shift that's taking place in this world, like, I probably will exercise a couple of these contracts depending on where the price is towards, you know, my expiration date, which is April 16th. All right. And so those are the plays I wanted to show you. And one thing I do want to talk about real quick is, see, I have, so my watch list, I have Roth and my down payment. So those are my 2 accounts that are on my Fidelity account, and I keep them here to just watch them here. So as you can see, I have Riot in my Roth IRA, and as you can see, it's booming today. My average cost is 21 bucks. Now, I did sell a cover call on this at $23. That means I received 200 bucks in premium. I gave the right to someone else to buy my shares at 23 bucks. As you can see, it's at 36. So if by this Friday it closes above 23, my shares will get called away. I will sell them, but it's okay, guys. You got to understand, like, this market right now is really hot, and I'm going to transition to speaking to you directly about what to do when the market is super hot like this. I mean, there's so many plays, like in the Discord. I mean, like, we're calling out so many hot plays. By the way, if you want to join the Discord, the link is below. It's a paid Discord. Hop in. We call out our option plays, our stock, long-term stock investment plays. Let you know whenever we're adding. Let you know whenever we're selling. We're growing our community. Check it out. You can get your initial investment back in one trade. You can pay for your whole year's worth. So it's highly worth it. Come join the community. Check it out. But I do want to let you know, in this hot market, you really want to get your cash up. Get your cash ready. Okay. It's just because there's so many plays out there. Like, I was looking, and within me, I can feel this feeling of like, oh my gosh, like this excitement. And that's when I realized, okay, I got to calm down. For me, I like to do some breathing work, some meditation work to get me centered, because this is the time I need to be cautious in the market and get my cash ready. So my plan moving forward right now is not necessarily look at new plays, because there's so many plays I want to get into right now. So many plays I want to tell you on this channel, which I got more coming up, for me, it's to sell puts. That's kind of my next, my phase I'm shifting to right now in this hot market. So once my shares get called away in Riot, I have around 3,100 bucks to play with. I'm probably going to sell a put on Riot, depending on where it's at around the end of this week. Sell a put for like 30, 31 bucks. and collect premium, man, and let the stock come down to my price. I'm not chasing right now. And probably even in my Robinhood, sell weekly puts on here. Collect premium. Let the price come down because of the market's so bullish. I don't mind collecting 100, 200, 300 bucks every week and collecting this premium and not chasing these stocks. I'll nibble on my current positions if they dip down low enough. Just continue to add and feed it and feed it and feed it, the ones I have conviction in, and let it grow. Okay? And continue to sell cover calls, earn premium, you know. So there's so many, you know, there's so many tools and tricks to this trade that I'm learning, and it just opens my eyes, and I want to share this with you because it's powerful information, very powerful information. And if you're completely new to investing, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button for me, because when you first start off, this is my suggestion, is to start off with a Roth IRA. And I'm not a financial advisor, but this is just what I would do if I was starting off again. Start off with a Roth IRA. If I'm not going to be investing any more than $6,000 per year, that's all I can afford to invest in 1 year, I'm not gonna put that money in an individual brokerage account. I'm gonna invest and trade in my Roth IRA, because the growth in that account is tax free. You know what I'm saying? Versus an individual brokerage account. Now, if you are going to invest more than $6,000 per year, then for sure max out your Roth IRA, and then whatever other money, that's what you funnel into your individual brokerage account. This individual brokerage account will allow you to retire early, but it'll allow you to create freedom earlier. Because that money you can just take out, pay taxes on, do whatever you got to do, right? So yeah, so that's really a huge tip that I want you to employ, and I want you to really consider. Okay, is if you only have $6,000 to invest, or less than $6,000 to invest, consider investing in your Roth IRA. Okay, if you have more than that, max out your Roth IRA, and then add the money over to your individual brokerage account. Okay, you gotta play it smart, guys. Play it smart. All right. So, blessings to you. By all means, let me know the plays that you have, that you're winning on, in the comment section below. Let's light up that comment section. Let's share the video to people who really need to get put on game. People of, of color, whoever, man. Like, we need to get this information out to anybody. And it really doesn't matter what color you are, but there are a lot of people of our color who don't know much about the stock market. And I'm trying to get this information to whoever will listen. That's the key. Whoever will listen and take action, man, there's no doubt that you'll get the bag. There's no doubt. So, Meditative Investor is out. Blessings to you. Until next time. Later.